Storm Team 8.
Another round of snow today. We saw that lake effect, so it's very hit and miss, spot by spot. A lot of spots at least seeing some light accumulation, and that's making a few of the roads just a little on the damp side. A lot of the salt is at a temperature where it can work and remove a good portion of those slick spots. Still, the snow is still coming down, so please be very careful as you're traveling. You can see several light lake effect snow bands here, but a stronger one that's cutting down from Ottawa County just to the north side of Allegan. I would track this for you, but lake effect isn't really trackable. The next system that we're going to be tracking is one that's still forming. It's a clipper system, and the warm front is right about here. It's going to be moving towards us overnight tonight and roughly arriving early tomorrow morning towards the lakeshore. So we're thinking closer to about 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So that means overnight tonight, this lake effect snow is going to start to turn and shut down. If we watch your futurecast, you can see how that unfolds and how it happens. Some spots inland are going to see some breaks in the cloud cover. So that means temperatures tonight are going to be dropping down to about 11 degrees. It's going to be very chilly. Continuing overnight tonight, again, you can watch as that lake effect kind of loses its steam, but right on its heels, we see this next round of snow. So this is once again a clipper system. This one has the potential of bringing us widespread snow. That means everyone has a shot of seeing some accumulation. As it goes through the day, you'll notice for the most part, it's steady. So we could see some lulls here and there, just like we saw with our last clipper system, even lulls that last a good hour or so. But in general, as this system pivots on through, everything's going to fill in and everyone has a chance of seeing at least a couple inches of snow. We're going to watch with this system too, because as it pivots, it's likely going to create a band of heavier snowfall. Right now, it's looking like that heavier band might position itself on the north side of Grand Rapids in towards the Muskegon area. So generally, here's what we're expecting through the day on Wednesday, about 3 to 6 inches of snow. A lot of us will be on that 3-inch side, and then 1 or 2 spots, depending on where that band is, could pick up 4 to 7 inches of snow. Some of you have already seen that today. That's on top of what we've already seen in some of those lake effect snow band areas. This is a picture from West Olive. You can see the snow stacking up there. And Pawpaw, we had a spotter report of 8 inches of snow. Tonight, again, 11 degrees, a few breaks in the clouds. Tomorrow, 22, feeling like 10 degrees because of the wind. Then we get a bit of a break for Thursday, but another system Friday. A touch of sunshine, hopefully, for Saturday and Sunday. In general, though, staying cold and staying fairly snowy over the next several days.
Thank you, Ellen.